just want to take a bit of time to explain our strategy that we use to convert traffic, our proven strategy that has been used and applied to convert traffic that comes to your landing page. In this case, it might be your home page. So this is a 6-step formula that we use, and I just want to step you through it, and you'll see how it'll allow you to plant a few seeds and get a few ideas as to how you might be able to apply this strategy to your own website. So basically what it's based on is 6 steps. Now when you think about when someone comes to your website, a couple of things we need to be mindful of is what we refer to as above the fold. So when you come to a website, the screen that you first see is what we refer to as above the fold. The first 2 steps in our strategy are located above the fold. Now when someone comes to your website, there are 2 reasons they're coming there. They're either trying to escape or move away from pain, or they're about moving towards pleasure. So for example, if you're you're looking for a chiropractor because you got sore back or a sore neck, then obviously you're looking at moving away from pain. You need a solution for your bad, painful back. If you're a business that obviously provides holidays, you obviously are going to go to that website because you're moving towards pleasure, or you'd like to, or you want to get the next or the best package on offer for your next summer vacation. So what number 1 refers to is an attention-grabbing headline. So what we do there is we create a question that is targeted towards either the pain or the pleasure. So for example, with the chiropractor, the question might be, are you tired of your ongoing back pain, or do you need a solution, or do you want to be pain-free? So straight away you're asking a question which subconsciously the person who's come to your website is saying, yes, that's exactly what I'm after. So you're trying to attend to what they call the tip of the iceberg problem. That first question is literally saying that, hey, we know what your tip of the iceberg problem is, and we've got a solution for you. The second part of the strategy is an engaging statement. You want the person to go from above the fold, you want them to scroll down below the fold, because that's where your process, your offer, your call to action is going to be. That's where you want them to go. We do that by offering them or stating what we call the engaging statement. So for example, the chiropractor might say there that, hey, come down below and see our awesome offerings, or come down below and we'll show you exactly how we remove pain, or we take people to a place of no pain. So that engaging statement, it might be for the travel agency, hey, come down below and see our top 3 offers we've got for this month. All right, so you're engaging with the audience. You've got their attention. All right, you've hit on their tip of the iceberg problem. You've now engaged with them and said, hey, come down and see what we've got to offer to show how we can answer that question. When the person who's come to your website goes below the fold, the next question in their head, before you even start to try and sell to them, what you want to provide them is the issue of trust, because they're asking themselves up here, should I trust this business? All right, why should I trust them? Now there's a couple of different strategies here. One basic strategy is through the use of video testimonials. All right, there's 3 different levels of testimonial. The lowest one being obviously a written testimonial, but we all know anyone can write a testimonial. Can you validate or verify that it's legit? So the most effective is a video testimonial. That is something that a lot of companies don't have. They don't spend the effort in getting, and we strongly recommend that you do. The other technique we use is trust icons. So if you are a plumber and you are part of a membership, if you're a builder and you need, or you're part of the HIA or the Queensland Master Builders Association, these are all icons that subconsciously answer the question to the person on your site, I trust this person because they're licensed, or I trust this person because I trust the referrer. Because that's generally what happens, is you will buy from someone because you either trust the person you're buying from, or you trust the referrer, okay, that has referred you to the person, or there's enough evidence to support the trust. There's third-party evidence that supports you in trusting that person. The other technique I like to use here is videos of the actual owner of the business, or the most appropriate person, because when you think about it, we do business these days not so much with the brand. We do business because we like the person. So if I'm going to see, let's use the chiropractor, if I'm going to see a chiropractor, I'm going to be in the room with them, I'm going to be one-on-one. So with my chiropractor clients, I get them on video, because within a minute or two, you're going to subconsciously, or the search is going to subconsciously go, I trust that person, I like the guy or I like the lady, and there's testimonials, there's badges, and before you even get to the soft sell, they've already made their mind up. That one, you've sorted out their tip of the iceberg problem. Two, you've engaged with them, you've answered the question that do they trust you, and now before you even attempt to sell them anything, you're going to even leverage off that further, and you're going to provide your backstory. Every business has a story, and it needs to be told, okay? And that's where the story can become personalized. There's a strategy in how you write that story, all right? You like to tell people that, hey, you were once like them, but now you're here, okay? It's also an opportunity to expose under the ice. So everyone should be mindful of the tip of the iceberg. You've solved that tip of the iceberg problem, but what you're going to do is expose them to all of the other issues that they may not have considered, which has led them to your site, okay? And you do that through storytelling, all right? And you do that through telling and promoting your brand. So we're very good at telling stories and branding your business, and that is so critical when it comes to marketing and conversion. So by the time you get to step 5, you literally have the person is already sold, and that's why it just needs to be a soft sell. Whether it's, hey, these are our hours, and this is what when we offer our services, or these are our packages, these are our products, these are our specials. Hey, and by the way, we like to reward customer loyalty. As an original customer, we'll give you 10% discount. We have a loyalty program. We love feedback. Hey, sign up to our Facebook account. This is where you start to make them believe that you are creating a community, and that not only do you appreciate their business, but you will reward loyalty. And then finally, which unfortunately a lot of businesses actually miss out, and web developers don't do it, is the call to action. As simple as that may sound, you need to tell people what you want them to do. Hey, this is what happens next. All right, this is what we need to do. So you actually, call to action is critical. You tell them what you want to do. You make it nice and easy through an appropriate user experience, and you make them take action. And I guarantee that you apply that strategy on any page where you are trying to promote, sell a service or product, and it will convert. Simple as that. So if you want to talk further about this strategy, and obviously if you want to talk further about how we can build and create the most appropriate converting landing page for your business, then give us a call. Our details are somewhere on this page. Thanks.